My name is Dima, and I would like to tell you about real-time 3D scanning platform called eScan. To understand our product better, I would like to dive deeper into problematics. In our world, there are dozens of jobs and professions that require personal attendance. Millions of people around the world encounter it on a daily basis. For example, we know them as inspectors, supervisors, or field service managers. While we talked to them, we understood that 85% of their tasks is usually working with documents, while only 15% of their tasks require personal attendance and a field trip. In reality, they spend around 60% of their time on traveling, which also costs a lot for companies. For example, a visit of a service engineer can cost up to $30,000, which is quite a lot. We asked ourselves, okay, in a time of remote work, why don't they use video communication to solve their tasks? We found out that they just don't find it as a reliable source of information. For example, video call has limits. For example, smaller angle. You can be misguided by something, or you can simply be cheated by a person with a phone, which can lead to big mistakes on future steps, which is very, very bad. To solve this problem, we actually create eScan. You can call it Zoom or Figma for supervision if you like it. Let me explain a little bit more how it really works. Imagine a person with a phone who is right now on location, starting a communication call with a remote expert who has a notebook. Right in front of his eyes on a screen in real time, a person expert with a notebook sees how a 3D reconstruction system works in real time. A digital twin is created. We can also see where a person with a phone is situated in 3D space. We can see where he looks and what he sees. And we can also provide him with guidance with augmented reality by simply placing spots in space where he should reach and look a little bit closer. We can also take measurements or export results in other programs, which is very important. We create our products for such spheres as inspection services, field service management systems, and of course, quality control management. All in all, our market is very big. It is around $60 billion. And we are sure that we can reach a part of $10 billion by making a lot of such operations possible to be done remotely. Of course, not all of them. Me personally have already 4 years of experience in creating and launching XR products. And I know limits and possibilities of technology very, very well. My partner, Ivan, is a great expert in fields such as machine learning, big data, and scaling of IT systems. We already done a lot. We invested our own funds to create a proof of concept. It was very important for us to be sure that current technologies make it possible. And we did it. Right now, we are seeking for funding to create MVP for consumer segment of interior design. And we hope to reach our first customers and early adopters to make it more. In 1 year, we are sure that we can reach a big part of B2B market, where technologies as 3D scanning already solve problems costing millions of dollars. We are not alone on this market. I'm not even talking about giants like Autodesk and Revit, who do a lot to promote digital for construction market. We have smaller competitors who do a little bit similar to what we do. But we have unfair competitive advantage compared to them. None of them does what I told you in whole. Mostly they do only a fraction of what I tell. For example, a simple 3D viewer or communication system or a new way of 3D scanning. Only we do it in a whole and in real time. On this spot, I would like to finish my little pitch and would be glad if you write me for us to discuss the possibilities. Thank you.